The book of Obadiah is the shortest book in the Old Testament, consisting of only one chapter. It focuses on the judgment against Edom for its arrogance and betrayal against Israel. This presentation will explore its themes and insights.
Obadiah was likely written in response to the destruction of Jerusalem in 586 BC. The book addresses the historical enmity between Israel and Edom, providing a backdrop for the themes of justice and retribution.
A prominent theme in Obadiah is divine judgment. The text emphasizes that God will hold nations accountable for their actions. The destruction of Edom serves as a warning to all nations regarding pride and betrayal.
Pride is a central theme in Obadiah, as it illustrates how arrogance leads to downfall. Edom's pride in its geographical position and military strength blinded it to its impending destruction.
Obadiah highlights the theme of brotherhood and the responsibility nations have towards one another. Edom's betrayal of Israel, its brother nation, underscores the importance of solidarity and support.
Obadiah contains a prophetic vision of restoration for Israel. Despite the judgment on Edom, the text assures that God's people will eventually be vindicated and restored to their rightful place.
The book emphasizes God's sovereignty over nations. It illustrates that no nation, including Edom, can escape God's will. This theme reassures readers of God's control over history and human affairs.
Obadiah warns of the consequences of betrayal. Edom's actions against Israel led to its own downfall. This serves as a powerful reminder that betrayal can have dire consequences, both for individuals and nations.
The themes in Obadiah offer timeless lessons for contemporary readers. Issues of pride, justice, and responsibility remain relevant today, encouraging reflection on how we treat our neighbors and uphold justice.
In conclusion, the book of Obadiah serves as a profound reminder of the themes of judgment, pride, and the importance of brotherhood. Its insights remain relevant, urging us to reflect on our actions and responsibilities.